Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we're taking a look at a fitness tracker. This is called the XGODY Fitness Tracker. All right, XGODY is the company. You'll find a link in the show notes on where to locate this on Amazon. This is an interesting fitness tracker. Let me show you a few things about it. You got touch sensitivity on here. You got your time on here. Battery indicator. Let's zoom in a little more so you can see it a little bit better there. All right, so 2/14, Sunday the 21st, the day we're doing this review. You can, as you see, you can swipe. You got training, you got mindfulness, you got messages because you can sync it with the phone. Weather data. Right now it's not synced to my phone because I was resetting it after testing it. All right, more, and as you see here, you got different options. You got your time. I think you can remote control your camera on here. You have the clock. You have motion sensitivity. There's quite a bit on here that you can do. Training. This is where when you're walking, it will keep track of, you can say run, walk, bike, and it'll give you statistics through the app on the phone showing you what you can do with it. All right, you got quite a bit in here that you can tell it what activities you're doing. All right, if we go back here and we go to mindfulness, this is where you can practice your heartbeat, your inhales and your exhales, and it'll time it for you, telling how long you should inhale, how long you should exhale. Just gives you a nice timer for doing that, and keeps you on pace. All right, good job, thank you. Messages, if you had it synced with your phone, you could have your messages coming in there. Same like here, you'd have data if you had it synced for weather. And we're going to show you some of the syncing on the app in a moment. All right, but those are the basics there. Let's go down. Let's go to more. All right, there's your heart rate monitor. Obviously, I don't have it on my wrist at the moment, so it's not going to read anything, but let's see if it'll do it while I'm just holding it this way. All right, 79 beats per minute. You have your step counter in there, and let's go ahead and get a phone so you can see it hooked up to the phone. All right, so the app you're going to use, we have it here on an iPhone. You go to the App Store and you go to download. You can scan the QR code that's in the book, or you can search for Very Fit Pro. Let's see, it comes up on there. All right, so when it comes up, you can find the app, Very Fit Pro. You can say Get and Install. I'm going to say allow notifications. We're going to give it permission to record and keep track of that, and we're going to say allow. Gives you some basic information here in the form of these images, and then it'll say searching for device. All right, found the device. I'm going to click on it. Oh, let's do it again. Confirm device. Bind successful. And we're connected. Then we're going to do some basic information. Male. Year of birth. I'm not going to tell you the truth here. Alright. Your height. Your weight. I wish. Alright. Sports target, in other words, how many steps per day, when you're in a time period and so forth, like you're setting your goals basically. We're going to allow it to have permission to do what it needs to do. All right, and then it's going to start recording information here basically. Right now you can say it's syncing in the top here. I don't know if there you go. So we should be all synced up here. Basically now it'll start recording some information on here. You'll have your activities, it'll calculate calories. Let me zoom back out, sorry about that. Right. It'll start calculating calories, distance that you walk, active duration, tells you what's going on during your day, obviously nothing there yet. Day sleep, light sleep, it gives you how much time we're spent in deep sleep, light sleep, and wake time. You'll have your heart rate recordings on there. So let's see if we can do one now. I'll go ahead and turn it on. would work better if I'm wearing it. So let's go put it on. Wake up when you bring it to your wrist, and automatically goes, when you bring your wrist up, it automatically goes into that mode of counting steps. All right. As you see now, it's getting temperature information. Oh. Now it's taking pulse information, heart rate. All right. And as you see, it's synced right to the phone, and now it's recorded in the phone. And as you do that each time, or however you set it to record, that data will go right into the phone. So you'll have all the information you need on your phone. You can do things like see information about the device, what it can control. You could set up log in so that stuff's recorded online. You have a detailed graph of everything in here, and you have to manage it, which again, because we just resynced this, there's no data in there to manage yet. So this has been working pretty well. Actually, this is the purple, so I've had my wife using this one. That's why it wasn't synced with my phone here, but it's been working good. Well, I really like the large clock. I think that's one of the nice things about it is you do have a large clock that when it's on your wrist and you bring it up, as you see, it'll come on there and it's recording the steps and the clock right there every time. So right now, let's give you some specs on the device itself, pulled off from the manufacturer. So it's called the Superior Fitness Tracker from XGODY. You have the heart rate monitor, you have IP67 waterproof activity, multi-sport step counter, sleep counter, connected GPS wristband for Android and iOS smartphones. Again, you have the heart rate, you have the sleep monitor, it is water resistant. You can have it give you call information, text, and other alert information sent from your phone to the device. It has a very long-lasting battery, full charge. I found this one actually been sitting here for a few days, and it's almost fully charged still since I charged it up, and I haven't been using it. It will vibrate to alert you of phone calls you receive, text messages, and so forth. The battery is rated at a full charge in 1 to 2 hours. Standby time can be 5 to 7 days with full power. Let's show you here a little bit about charging, so I didn't mention that. Basically, this is all you get, is this and the manual. The way this works is you simply pop this out of the case, the wristband, and there you go. All you have to do is plug that into any USB port, and it charges up. All right. These are the sensors here for the pulse, and then when you're done, you simply take that. You see, there's a little slot in there. You slide it back in. You pull that back around it. And that's it. A completely sealed, nice device. So there you go. That's the XGODY Fitness Tracker. You'll find a link below to it on Amazon, and it does come in a bunch of different colors. I know they have blue, red, black, purple, and green at least. So there you go. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.